video, we're gonna be doing week. The air always want to come on when I'm recording. In today's video, fuck, I forgot my name. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. If I, ooh, wait, she got a little chunky. If I drop this, consider this video canceled because I'm not chopping this shit up again. Ooh, it's, yeah, I don't know what I'm, ooh, don't mind that. I got plenty that you make a run for shot. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Shania. In today's video, we're gonna be picking up with week 3 of putting this stuff in my hair because if you haven't watched week 1 or 2, definitely go watch those so that way you can be caught up on everything that's going on, and then we're gonna pick right up and get right into it. I'm just gonna put my little notes and tips on the screen while I continue to do this so that way this isn't an extremely long video because I gotta go to work in the morning and I'm deciding to do this now. Why? I don't know, but it's for you. It's my Christmas gift to you. Not a good one, I know. Ugh. Split this in half real rough and get straight to it. My hair be looking a mess. Y'all probably think I neglect my hair during the weekday. I don't. It's just, I put it up in a style and call it a day. Ooh. Don't mind that. We're gonna continue as if nothing happened. Damn. I'm gonna look at my armpits. Look, they ain't perfect. So, oh well, period. Y'all can't even see nothing because I've been twisted the daggone camera. Hey. Y'all watching me in my bathroom? Y'all ain't nothing better to do? No, wait, never mind. Never mind. Let me not say that. Click off right quick as fuck. I'm looking real deal crazy. Real deal crazy. There we go. Okay, so my phone died. But I'm glad that iPhones rise from the dead quick when you plug them in. Because I ain't really trying to have this take like 5,000 years, but I wanted to do this so I could be consistent instead of like me doing it throughout the week or something. I've been a little busy. Oh, I messed up the camera. There we go, close enough. Close enough. Don't mind that little piece. And this thing is about broke. It's giving like I ain't supposed to record this today. Like, what's going on? So far, I've had a little bit of shedding, but I've kind of been putting my hair up into that little crazy looking bun, you know, the last, what, 2 days? So, I can't be surprised by that. I should have showed you guys like a little length check. It might have a little, we get, can y'all see that? See what y'all can get there, wherever that is. Maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit, maybe not. I don't know. But I ain't gonna promise y'all overnight hair growth like half of these YouTubers be doing, because it's not likely that happens unless you're gonna use some extensions or you're gonna use a wig. So keep it real or keep it going. Keep it real or keep it going. There you go. I couldn't even say it. It's not that much shedding at all. Like, very little. So it definitely works for shedding. I can attest to that. Ooh, no you won't. No you won't. Oh my god, I forgot I have this freaking cut on my finger. It's stinging real bad.
Real bad.
Whatever you say.
I like that.
Ooh, child. She's trying to run down my back. This crap look like sandy, muddy water. I don't know what I'm doing. Smoke got me talking in Dutch. I'm feeling it be so wet. She leaning on me, I'm a crush. That Drake song has me in a chokehold. I'll insert it here. Yeah, it has me in a chokehold. I listen to it like 5 times a day. Don't know why, other than the fact that I fucking love it. I just don't like how the second end is all slowed down. Like, he could have kept that part. He should just repeated like the first 2 minutes and it would have been fire. It still is, but like not as much. A little bit of shedding. Like 2 pieces of hair. Oh my god! My whole bathroom about to smell like onion and ginger. Ain't that a dang shame? Okay. I say I like the smell of onion and ginger, and look what happens. Give it an inch, they take them out. Don't be looking at my armpit. I don't know why when we brush our hair we lean, like crackhead lean, but for natural hair, what the heck? No. Oh! Let me turn you this way. I'm just spilling everything. I don't know how this video is gonna make it. Ugh, I tasted it. It's not that bad. A little spicy because of the ginger, but
looks like things are getting too spicy for the pepper.
it's not that bad. I wouldn't eat it though. I wouldn't eat it or drink it, so lay on a towel when you do this or something, because this crap be getting messy out the blue. I'm probably only gonna leave it in for like I'm probably only gonna leave this in for like 30 minutes this time, just because I'm running out of time. And I do want to get some time before I have to go to sleep, because I get up extremely early for work because I live nowhere near the job. So, not fun. So basically, I'm rushing. But 30 minutes is still good. Just try to, I'm saying it's like I know. I mean, I think 30 minutes is good. As long as you let it sit in your hair for some duration of time. Like, you don't just put it in there and wash it right back out. I feel like, you know, it'll be good. Just let it sit on there. Massage into your scalp real good. Chef's kiss. Ooh, redneck itching real bad. Real bad.
Real bad.
Ooh, she's running, she's running, she's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna run away. Bro, I'm tripping. I'm dripping, I'm dripping, I'm dripping, I'm tripping on you. Hey, why do the light skin face? I swear, I feel like this is something you can do every so often for your hair. Like when you notice like it needs specific TLC that this will provide. But I don't see it as being one of them things you do in every wash day routine. At least not for growth, that is. Like people do a little shea powder. Should I do that? Should I be a shea girl? Shea. A powder girl. I'll insert the thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Should I do that and see if that works? Because like I said, I'm a sucker for hair growth. Like if I'm over here putting onion and ginger juice in my freaking hair, even though I do like the smell, which is crazy as it's dripping on my shoe. Even though I like the smell of it, just because from cooking, like just the aroma. But literally, that should tell you, like I'm putting this stuff in my hair. It's different when you're eating something with this in it. But like putting it in your hair, let's be for real. Like sucker for hair growth. As long as it's not like nothing crazy, I'll probably try it. Y'all can drop suggestions in the comments below if you want. If you want. You don't have to, but I like you to. Oh my God, Christmas is like 3 days. 4? 3, 4? I did not realize that. Oh my God, I have to put out the other video, but I wanted to have another video out by now, so you guys might get 2 videos. Ooh, per. I know you guys probably think like, yo, is this girl crazy? Like, she's over here having little spasms, little outbursts, having a mini concert. Then she's just over here randomly thinking of what day it is throughout the week, remembering when Christmas is. I promise you I'm not crazy. It's just when you can't listen to music or watch TV because you'll get copyright claims if it's heard in the background, your mind will start to entertain itself. And because it's starting to entertain itself, it'll be all over the place, like you see me. So I hope you just find it funny and not concerning. Alright guys, so we're beginning to wrap up this video. I styled my hair the exact same way I did in the first and second video. If you have not watched those, be sure to go and watch those so you're up to speed on everything. And if you have not liked this video or subscribed to my channel, do so before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.